Sairam students, today we will start our first GK chapter, abbreviations. Abbreviation is a short form of a word or a phrase. For example, cm stands for centimeter, kg stands for kilogram. Now we will start our question answer session. Question first. Abbreviation AM stands for anti-meridiem amplitude modulation, which is option E. AM stands for anti-meridiem. The Latin phrase anti-meridiem means before noon or before midday. Next abbreviation, BCG stands for Bacillus calmette-guerin, which is option A. BCG vaccine is a vaccine primarily used against tuberculosis. In countries where tuberculosis or leprosy is common, one dose is recommended in healthy babies as close to the time of birth as possible. Next abbreviation, CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation, which is option M. CM stands for Chief Minister, which is option B. CBI is the premier investigating agency of India. It was formed in 1941 as the Special Police Establishment. Next abbreviation, ICC stands for International Cricket Council, which is option A. IAS stands for Indian Administrative Service, which is option J. ICC is the world governing body of cricket. IAS is the administrative arm of the All India Services. Next abbreviation, IATA stands for International Air Transport Association, which is option G. INS stands for Indian Naval Ship, which is option D. IATA is a trade association of the world's airlines found in 1945. Next abbreviation, INA stands for Indian National Army, which is option C. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. INA was an armed force formed by Indian nationalists in 1942 in Southeast Asia during World War II. NCC is the youth wing of armed forces with its headquarters at New Delhi. Next abbreviation, NCERT stands for National Council for Educational Research and Training, which is option P. ONGC stands for Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, which is option O. NCERT is an autonomous organization of the Government of India, which was established in 1961. ONGC is an Indian multinational crude oil and gas corporation. Next abbreviation, PTO stands for Please turn over, which is option I. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which is option L. UNESCO is a specialized agency of the UN aimed at contributing to the building of peace, the eradication of poverty, sustainable development, and intercultural dialogue through education, the sciences, culture, communication, and information. Next abbreviation. UNICEF stands for United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, which is option N. WHO stands for World Health Organization, which is option K. UNICEF is responsible for providing humanitarian and development aid to children worldwide. WHO is a special agency of UN which is responsible for international public health. Now see fun fact. Did you know? Here is a tongue-in-cheek abbreviation. ASAP stands for as soon as possible. Now let us start second chapter sobriquet. Sobriquet is a nickname, a name given to someone or something that is not their real or official name. Let us see question answers. Write the nicknames for. What is nickname of Amritsar, India? Amritsar is known as the city of Golden Temple. It is the holiest Gurudwara of Sikh religion. What is nickname of Bangalore, India? Bangalore is known as the Garden City of India. The city has a large number of lush green gardens and parks, that is why it is addressed as Garden City of India. What is nickname of Broadway, New York? Broadway is known as the Great White Way. Broadway is a road in the city of New York. Its nickname was inspired by all electric white lights on the theater, marquees and billboard sign illuminated the area. Nickname of Kolkata, India. Kolkata is known as the city of palaces. During the British era, many royal structures were built and they still stand firm. Thus, it truly justifies its title, the City of Palaces. Nickname of Mumbai, India. Mumbai is known as the Gateway of India. It is an arc monument built in the early 20th century in the city of India. In the city of Mumbai. Nickname of Chicago, USA. Chicago is known as Windy City. The city has been known by many nicknames, but it is mostly recognized as the Windy City. Average speed of wind is 10.3 miles per hour. What is nickname of Cochin, India? Nickname of Cochin is the Queen of Arabian Sea. The new name of this city is Kochi. It is major port city on the southwest coast of India. Nickname of Jaipur, India. Jaipur is known as the Rose Pink City. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Due to the dominant color schemes of its building, this city is known as the Pink City. Nickname of Australia. Australia is commonly referred as the land of kangaroo. Kangaroos are unique to Australia and they pride in calling the country the land of kangaroos. Kangaroos appear in the Australian coat of arms, on the currencies, and on airline logos. Nickname of Egypt. Egypt is commonly referred as the gift of Nile. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa. Nile is the longest river in Africa. It is primary water source to the countries of Egypt and Sudan. Now see, fun fact. Did you know? The reason why Japan is called the land of rising sun because Japan is always the first to see sunrise on a new day. Now we will see next chapter in next period. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.